Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're joining for the first time, thank you so much for joining. My name is Susan, and yeah, I just do videos, random videos. So today we're going to talk about Zara. So I'm from the era where I can't even remember Zara being in Namibia, but after doing my research I realized that they had a shop in Windhoek, which I have never seen before. But I think it's just maybe because I wasn't in the phase, do you call it a phase, or in the class of people who bought from Zara before. So recently I just turned 30 and I decided that I need to work on my style. I need to start buying things that are actually lasting instead of just jumping to buy fast fashion. So I tried Shein, I tried all those fast fashion stuff, but I decided to give Zara a try because I see people talking about nice clothes from Zara, what. Anyways, I decided to treat myself for my birthday. So here I have a package from Zara. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I ordered, or some of the stuff that I got. But not only that, I'm also going to give you some tips. Not really tips, it's just the journey of how I ordered, how long it took to come to Namibia, how much was the customs and duty and all that, and the sizing, which is kind of a big deal. So if you're planning on buying from Zara, you're planning on doing it online, you should be a little bit extra careful. So yeah, I placed the order on the 16th of July. So I placed it on the 16th of July, and then I used a card that wasn't mine because I'm not going to go into details. So yeah, I used the card that wasn't mine, and then they declined for some reason, and then I had to redo it because they asked me some questions, and then after I answered and verified, that's when they actually ended up going through with the order. So I ordered on the 16th of July and I received the items on the 26th of July. So ordered on the 19th, no, ordered on the 16th, and then it shipped on the 19th. So shipped on the 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, I got it. And I also live in Utapi, which is a little bit far from Windhoek. So, but if I lived in Windhoek, I would have received it on the 25th. So let's not waste too much time. Let's just go in. So when you order things on their website, you add them in the box or in the cart, and then you pay, and then they will deliver. So when they deliver, it's the same as Amazon. They will deliver straight to your house, because when you pay customs, duties, everything. So for them, it's just to deliver it to your house. So this is just the paper that you signed off, the paper that you sign off sometimes to them. So when they give you the package, then you sign it. So the package is like this, and then this is how smashed it came. So it didn't come nicely you know, new or anything. So this is how smashed it came. There's my number on there, maybe I'll blur it. So it comes like this. So I've opened it before. I wore some stuff, you know, just to make sure. But yeah, so this is the package. Here's the package. We open it, and here are the clothes. So I'm just going to show you one by one and talk a little bit about them. So one thing that I was super excited about is a striped shirt. Like, I've been really wanting like striped shirt for under my blazers, because I feel like it just goes well with black pants and heels or something like that. So I decided to get these. And one thing I realized about Zara, not only about quality, It's not only about quality, but also I wore this 3 days ago, and I put it in the laundry basket. But the moment you just move it a little bit, wiggle it, it smells like I just freshly sprayed it. So now I don't know if it's because of the material of the shirt or what. My clothes don't really like, my perfume doesn't really last like this on my clothes, on my normal clothes. I don't know what material this is anyway. But yeah, this is a size small, and it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly on me. And I've gained weight recently, but yeah, it still fits good. It's a size small. And then we go to the other one. This is just a basic long sleeve shirt, which is still also good. Like the material, the quality, so good. It feels so soft. Oh my god. Yeah, so I haven't worn this yet. And the material on this one is, oh my god. Yeah, so it's viscose and polyamide, whatever how you pronounce that. I love it. The quality is really good. It's what I would like. I won't complain, you know. I won't complain wasting my money or anything. Next, I got these jeans. They are skinny jeans, stretchy. One thing about them is that I gained too much weight and I can't fit. So right now I'm working towards fitting in, because they say normally for us in Namibia, or let me say, yeah, Namibia, I don't want to say Africa, but in Namibia we do this to see if you fit. So it should be from the elbow to the waist, to check in the shop. Like if you go in the shop and you want to see if something fits without fitting it on, then you do this and then you go. So this one doesn't fit because it doesn't come until here, so it doesn't fit at the moment. I don't know how it works though, because if I lose weight, I won't lose the arm. I won't lose the arm too. It's just the weight. So how does that work? I guess if you lose some weight, some muscle, then when you put it in, then it won't use up too much space. I don't understand it, but yeah, the jeans, I love them. They are, but they have this gray, a little bit of gray, like they are already getting old or something. But if you want to look closer, the material is good, really good. Denim, super stretchy. Look at this, super stretchy, and they contour your body so well. Like you look really good when you're wearing them. So now that's all from the clothes side. Now I'm gonna show you the shoes. I got some slippers. They call them minimalist slippers. Let me see. I have the customs and duties, blah blah blah. I'm going to give you still the amounts, like how much total and then how much was the customs. So yeah, these sandals, they were $513. Oh, $514. So yeah, this is it. This is the price if you want to see. But yeah, the sandals, they are really nice, and it's leather, good quality. If you can see, and even here I like looking at the shoes from this what happened here, so you'll be able to see the quality if they're gonna, you know. So the quality is really good. but they are kind of on a slim side. So if you have a wide foot, if your foot is wide, so don't get this. But they stretch also a little bit, the leather loosen a little bit. So when I bought them, I couldn't fit. I wore them yesterday and today, and they feel good now. So yeah, they come in this bag though. They come in this bag with the Zara branding on it. The other, oh, I forgot to show you. I forgot to show you the dress. This dress was only 274. The dress was only 274. It's stretchy. Here it looks a little bit more, it looks turquoise, but here it's, from my side, it's really green. Like it's green, see? Still doesn't give it justice. But yeah, it's nice. It's a long dress, stretchy, basic in the material, not too bad. It's more basic, but I like it. It feels good, and it's also a size small. I got all my clothes in size small. And the shoe size, the other ones I showed you already, I got them in size 8 US and European 39. So one thing about the shipping is that they don't ship from South Africa, even though they have a shop in South Africa. They ship from Spain. So I guess it's a Spanish brand. Is it? I don't know. But it ships from Spain. And one thing about customs in Namibia is that things are costly when you're importing from America, and then followed by when you're shipping from Europe. And then if you're shipping from China, things are so cheap. They are cheap in China, and then customs is also cheap. But these ones, they're expensive, and customs, I guess, I don't know. I don't want to toot my own horn, but I feel like sometimes maybe it's because of the quality, because not that you can't find quality things in China, of course you can, but also I think it's the trade agreements the countries have or something like that. So another bag of shoes. Ta-da! Oh, these ones are my favorite because I like this. The heel, it's not that high, and it fits perfectly on my foot. So I got size 39, European size, and American size is size 6. I mean, not 6 but 8, but the UK size I think is size 6. I think it's a 6. Yeah, so I like this shoe because even if it's hurting maybe somewhere here, it was just a little bit hurting here, but it's super comfortable. You can walk in this the whole day. Super comfortable. They were only hurting a little bit because I still need to break them in, but that's it. So yeah, let me give you a little bit of the price breakdown before we end the video. But if you're still here, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I know I don't post a lot, but sometimes we are busy. I'm busy, but I always say I'll try to do better even if I don't. But yeah, so yeah, I'm going to give you the price breakdown of all the products just for you to get an idea of how much customs and duty yeah. So okay, I have it here. So the shipping is 19.99 euros. Shipping is 19.99, and I'll show you here. Shipping is 19.95 euros, and import cost 67.42 euros. That's over 1,300. I think that's over 1,300 or 1,400 Namibian dollars. so that, yeah, she can. Yeah, so yeah, that's the total. Customs, duties, it's so expensive, but I think it's worth it, especially if you have to consider that you don't, okay, customs, duties, they don't bother you. And I think they refunded me something like that. I think they refunded me the shipping or something. Do they refund you once you receive your things without you claiming anything? Because here they listed shipping as shipping insurance. So is that what it means? Like if your things reach in one piece, then you get your shipping back? Because I've received some refunds. I don't know. So yeah, that's all. If you want to order from Zara, I will give you a go ahead. Seriously, the quality is good. And as I said, turning 30, I realized that I need to buy more long-lasting pieces. I just don't want to buy fast fashion. So now I'm working on investing in blazers and maybe a little bit of sneakers or trainers, anything like that. But from now on, I told myself that whatever I buy should last me at least 6 years, because I don't have money to just be throwing away into fast fashion. And I'm not that person who just like looking good at the moment. You know, I don't like looking super fly. I just, as long as I'm presentable and I have some pieces that I'm proud of, then I'm good. So yeah, this video was too long. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye guys. If you have any question, please if you have any questions, please just comment down below, ask your questions. I'll be happy to answer. I might answer them right now, or I might just answer them in another video, because I still have some stuff on the way. Anyways, yeah, thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.